Supliful tutorial, or how to dropship with Supliful. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video I'm going to show you how you can dropship with Supliful. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Supliful, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. And now, in installing a Supliful application, we firstly need to sign up on Shopify.com. In which, if you don't know Shopify, it is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that enables anyone to start, manage, and grow an online business, in which it provides a customizable online store with themes, tools to sell across multiple channels, a secure checkout process, and built-in marketing features. And Shopify flexibility allows businesses to add functionality as needed, with optional products, sales channels, and integrations available directly from the Shopify admin. And now, to create your account, just simply enter here your email address and just click the Start Free Trial button in here. Then you will be directed on this dashboard of Shopify. And you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. But to start installing the application of Supliful, just simply click this Add Apps button right here. And on this pop-up window, just scroll down until you click the Shopify App Store. Then we will be directed in here. And on the search bar from this page, just enter or search Supliful. And upon clicking enter, you'll be able to see here this application Supliful, and below the overview about this application. And you will see in here that using this application, dropshipping app for private label products in supplement, skincare, pet care, and coffee categories. With Supliful private labels dropshipping app, you can access hundreds of on-demand products sourced from US suppliers. And aside from that, below here, you will be able to see some of the plan offer on this platform. We have here free to install, starter plan, and creator plan. But now to proceed installing the application, just click this install button right here. Then we will be directed on this page. And from here, just simply click this install button to proceed again. And after that, we will now be able to see that the application is now being installed. And all you need to do is wait for it to load. Then you will be directed on this dashboard of Supliful, in which you will see here that your store in Shopify has now been connected. And from here, you can now start navigating some of the options on this platform. But the other way to install the Supliful application is by simply searching it on Google like this one, and kindly click the first link that come up. And after that, just wait for it to load and sign up. Then you also need to confirm your email address in here from your email inboxes. Then you will now be able to be directed on this dashboard of Supliful. And as you can see in here, under the catalog, it will show in here a variety of products that you could also import to your Shopify store to dropship and start earning money depending on the sales that you get. But if you're looking for a specific category, just click this category right here and click or choose the kind of product that you prefer. Let's say I'm going to choose these vitamins and minerals. And upon clicking apply filter button right here, you will be able to see here all of the result of those vitamins and minerals products. And as you can see, each product you could also import your design in here. So for instance, I'm going to choose this complete multivitamin. So can I click on it? And after that, you will be able to be directed on this page. Then we will be able to see here some of the description about this multivitamin, the price of it, and also the shipping cost and suggested retail price. You will also see here your potential profit, which is $22.80. And if you scroll down, it will show in here the supplement facts, ingredients, description, and other details. In which all of these details, simply we can copy and paste in our Shopify online store when we start importing this product. And now to start customizing this product, just click this customize and sell button right here. In which upon clicking on it, you'll now be able to be directed on this page, in which we'll be able to see here the step-by-step process on how we can customize this. And as you can see in here, the step 1 is to customize the label in here. And we can choose either Canva, Adobe Illustrator, even this done for you design, which is recommended. However, in those options, I'm going to choose to edit on Canva. So can I click this Canva editor, and upon clicking on it, we'll now be able to be directed on this Canva platform. And from here to proceed, just click use template for new design button below here. Upon clicking here, you'll be able to be directed on this page of Canva. And from here, we can now start customizing our design in here, starting to its content, name, and even our logo. And you could also use some other editing tools on the left side panel. We have here design, elements, text, brand, uploads, draw, and many more. Let's say under elements, from here I'm going to search for logo. And from here, I'm going to keep it that way under the supplement facts and also some other description here. But before that, let's start by customizing the background color of our design. So can you click this color icon on the top left corner and just choose on the left side panel in here your preferred color with your gradients and also solid color. So let's say in those options, I'm going to choose this one right here. And also moving on, the next thing that you need to do is you could also change the name of your multivitamin that you're selling. And let's say I'm going to customize this instead of complete. I'm going to enter here or change this into Energize Multivitamin. And now the next thing that we need to do is simply upload the logo in here. I'm going to choose under graphics some of the logo that are available in here. And we can simply the logo design in here to replace it for a new one. So as you can see, you can simply drag it down or up depending on your preferences or location that you prefer. And for the color of this logo, let's say I'm going to choose this color right here. And aside from that, I'm also going to change this color violet right here into this color green. And now if you're now done, you're gonna proceed by clicking the share button on the top right corner and click this download button to proceed. And also, make sure that you also download this as a PDF file since we're going to upload the second step or PDF file. So just click download right here and choose under the file type, the PDF, and after that just proceed by clicking this download button below here to proceed. And all you need to do is wait for it to be downloaded, and after that we can now proceed by going back on this page right here and start uploading the PDF that we just customized in our Canva. And upon uploading, it will show you on this pop-up window to click the submit button to proceed. And upon clicking on it, you'll now be able to see here the result of our customized design in Canva, and it will show you in here the product mockup. So we will be able to see here our design that is already attached in our product. So as you can see in here, this is what it looks like. You could also choose to see other images that is located on this page. And now moving on, we can now proceed by going to the step 3, which is to upload label, print PDF file, set up your store, and also to add payment method. And after that, you can now proceed by clicking this publish button below here to proceed or adding to your Shopify online store. All you need to do is to wait for the product to be updated on this platform. And now it will show in here that the product is now being published, and you can check this on your Shopify store under these products. If you refresh this page, you'll be able to see here that the product is now being imported in our Shopify online store. So you'll now be able to see here our products with a design that we just customized. And if you also want to edit some of the product description or details, you can do so by simply clicking on it. Then you will be able to be directed on this page. And from here, you can start customizing the title of this product, the description of it, the media files if you want to, and even the pricing below here. So basically, using the application of Supliful, it offers a personalized products and custom branding options, enabling supplement brands to cater to their customers' specific needs and offer a unique, customized experience. So that is just basically how you can dropship with Supliful. Thank you.